Naveen. I've done my Python project on using Tkinter, and my project is a form which validates and gets saved in the database. So first I've used the Tkinter, and then I created the form name, like name, email, password, phone number, location, age and gender, and I've also connected MySQL connector so that it gets saved in the database.
Once I grip onto your mind and soul, your brightness starts to dim. Sin after sin, you won't feel no more. You lost your trust again. I know you wish you could let me know that you're praying for an end. I can lie to you and tell you you can get me out your head, but I'm loving all the pain I'm causing you too much instead. Maybe there's another side that you don't know.